Créé en février 2014 et composé de jeunes Guinéens vivant ici aux États-Unis, l'ONG Les Frères Unis ont organisé leur premier fundraising pour venir en aide aux enfants démunis en Guinée. Pour joindre l'acte à la bonne volonté, une cinquantaine de donateurs ont honoré de leur présence ce dimanche 28 septembre 2014. Après l'apéritif et le cocktail servi à souhait, Fatou Camara, le maître de cérémonie, après avoir planté le décor, a remercié l'ensemble des donateurs avec mention spéciale sur 3 invités spéciaux.
Thank you all for coming today. Before I go, I would like to mention a special thanks to my co-workers that are over there in the back. Thank you all for honoring Les Frères Unis Foundation.
Elle a ensuite invité sur le podium Alpha Khan, président et CEO des Frères Unis. Après avoir lancé un message fort et plaidé pour la cause des enfants, en rassurant ses donateurs de la bonne gestion des fonds, il a expliqué que les dons serviront à lutter contre la pauvreté.
Well, when we formed these non-profit organizations, many people ask me several questions. They say to me that, how are you sure the money is going to get to the destination? Well, I had one answer for them. I took a trip to Guinea recently in August 2014. I went to Guinea to form Les Frères Unis and learn more about the school situation. So this means that we know what's going on in Guinea. During my visit, I had the opportunity to meet with some parents and many students who showed me that they desire to learn. However, financial difficulties make it very hard for people to send their children to school, care for them when they are sick, and put bread on the table. We all know it's not easy for them over there.
Il a ensuite exhorté les uns et les autres à joindre les Frères Unis ou à souscrire dans le même sens dans leurs propres initiatives.
I urge you, every one of you, to join Les Frères Unis in the fight against poverty and reduce crime by promoting education. Well, there's a lot you can do. You can either join Les Frères Unis or you can start something on your own or by voluntarily doing something for your country. We all know the problems of our country. No need for me now to discuss any problem with anyone here because we all know. Well, we call here today for the solution. We all know the problem. The problems are known. Now let's find out the solution together in order to lead the country forward.
Au cours de la cérémonie, des vidéos ont été projetées pour corroborer les actions de l'ONG, ponctuées d'une tombola où les gagnants ont reçu des appareils électroniques. Aminata Tal, président des Frères Unis, a mis l'accent sur l'éducation, l'analphabétisation et l'emploi de la jeune fille.
Appuyer les enfants du primaire et du secondaire du pays. Développer et soutenir les activités d'éducation scolaire et de sensibilisation. Collaborer avec toutes les ONG qui luttent contre la pauvreté. Participer à l'alphabétisation et à la création de l'emploi de la jeune fille. En effet, le peuple de Guinée, à travers son ONG, reste très reconnaissant et exprime sa profonde gratitude aux Frères Unis pour leur engagement dans l'atteinte de ces objectifs. Dans le cadre de sa mise en œuvre, au plan d'action 2014-2015, nous envisageons reporteriez les enfants déshérités en âge d'aller à l'école dans les quartiers de Conakry.
Témoignage de Aïssatou Khan et de Nancy Silla, adolescentes, reflète mieux l'avenir des enfants démunis dont rêve l'ONG Frères Unis de réussir. Elles ont interpellé les donateurs à aider les enfants démunis.
My name is Nancy Silla, but before I start, I would like to tell you a time I went to Guinea. 4 years ago, I went to Guinea and I saw kids with 1 book, 1 pencil, and 1 pen. I thought it was like America. That was their homework, but when they went to school, they had more books. 4 years later, my dad asked me to write a speech. I wondered what it was about. He told me it was to help Guinea get books, pencils, and much, much more, but I assumed they already had it. Now I would like to start. I go to Maho and Herkoma. When I go to school, I have a lot of supplies to last me the whole year, but Guinea don't. That's why we asked you to come today. If you donate money, we can make miracles happen. But it starts with you. We can't have school without supplies. Imagine your kids are in this situation. Thank you and have a nice day. The kids in Guinea want to learn and want to become somebody, but they can only do that with our help and our donations. So please, I ask you kindly, donate and help us now. Knowledge is gold, so help those children get their goal. Thank you and have a good evening.
Gégil, présidente Kida Interstate, est un des donateurs, comme tant d'autres, qui croient à cette action des Frères Unis.
I work as a delivery company, and Abdul, one of your member here, I believe he's the director, and he invited me, and the first time I'm here, and I enjoyed your visit, enjoyed your company, enjoyed the whole thing, and I saw what you do, and which is a very good cause, and I hope you do well in this.